Dear students, the topic of today is resonance energy. The definition of resonance energy is the difference of energy between a more stable resonating structure and the resonance hybrid is known as resonance energy. Now see it with the help of an example. For example, resonance in carbonate ion. This has resulting structure like this. First, second and third are the resonating structures. Showing carbon oxygen double bond, suggesting that it has got energy but less stability. The resonating structures show carbon oxygen double bond. Suggesting that it has got energy but less stability. These contributing structures contribute a resonance hybrid shown as two negative charge disperses between 3 oxygen atoms. So each has got 2/3 charge. 2/3 charge. This is resonance hybrid. Without carbon oxygen double bond character. This is more stable with low energy. So its energy is low, the energy of resonating structure is more. So the difference between these two energies is named as resonance energy. I can put a new example to understand the difference. The example belongs to benzene. This is example 2. In case of benzene, it has got two resonating structures. Both are equivalent. Shown as One resonating structure is represented like this, other is like this. First and second both are the contributing structure or resonating structure. Both are giving collectively a resonance hybrid of benzene. Resonance hybrid of benzene. The actual molecule this is the resonating structures. The heat of hydrogenation data clearly indicates the difference between the resonance hybrid and the resonating structures. Benzene, the first resonating structure is like this. It is written as 135 cyclohexatriene, put for hydrogenation in presence of nickel catalyst at room temperature. Changes to cyclohexane with liberation of heat energy delta H is 360 kilojoule. The actual structure of benzene, which is resonance hybrid under similar treatment produces same product, cyclohexane with liberation of heat energy. This is equal to 208 kilojoule. This observation states that the heat of hydrogenation in this case, in the resonating structure of benzene, comes to be more 360. It means it is more stable, more energetic, more energy. It has more energy, and the actual molecule of benzene, which is the resonance hybrid, gives a lesser amount of heat energy, which is 208. This is low value, so it has got low energy. When we subtract the energy from more energy to low energy, we get the difference, which we call heat of energy. So the heat of hydrogenation difference tells the resonance energy. So resonance energy in this case is equal to 360 minus 208 kilojoule. Its difference comes to be 152 kilojoule or 36 kilocalorie. This is the heat resonance energy of benzene. So the meaning of my saying is just to say, only to show the difference between resonating structure and the resonance hybrid, which is the resonance energy. So resonance energy gives some information. Resonance energy gives some informations which is important for NEET students and the other competitive examinations. Point number 1, more is the resonance energy, more is the resonance energy, more is the stability of molecule, more is the stability of the molecule. More is the number of resonating structure, more is the number of resonating structures, more is the stability of resonance hybrid. More is the stability of resonance hybrid. Thank you.